Hey guys, Kelly Nutt with Zippkool. First of all, I want to say thank you for purchasing our hard hat cooler. Today is a short tutorial on how to assemble the hard hat cooler. When you get your hard hat cooler, it'll come in a package that'll look just like this. So let's go through the package and see what's inside. First, when you open it, you're going to see the neck shade. The neck shade is going to come already assembled with the fan. It'll look just like this. And here's the fan already assembled. Next, we're going to have the fan cord. The extension cord is a longer cord, and the fan cord is the short cord. There's a short cord. Next, we're going to have the AA battery box. Comes with double-sided tape. It also comes with a clip. One important feature right here, make sure that when you attach the double stick tape, you don't put it on the front, because then the door won't open to replace your battery. Make sure you put it on the back. Attaches right there. The clip attaches like so. All right, next is our hard hat band. If you want to wear your AA battery on your hard hat, it looks just like this once it's attached. You're going to have your hard hat cooler, the band on top of it, and then your battery box will fit here on the hard hat band. One thing to note, make sure that you run the short cable, which is our fan cable, on the outside of the pocket into your power source. Now, one other thing, make sure talk to your safety manager if this is okay on the job site. Our next power source is our rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It'll come in a box that looks like this. This is the battery itself. Now, the upside to the rechargeable battery is you're going to get double the airflow, and also it extends your battery life. All right, so let's assemble our hard hat cooler. First of all, we're going to take the longer extension cord. Very important you put it through the inside slot. There's 4 slots, 2 on the inside and 2 on the outside. Make sure you go through the inside slot. Attach this extension cable to the fan. Now we're going to take the fan cord and attach it to the extension cord. Okay, now we're going to attach the hard hat cooler to the hard hat. Run it over the top like so. You have 3 clips, one in the front, one on the side, one on this side. Now take note right here that you want to push the clips a little bit forward to extend the back air pocket. Also, please be aware that this pocket goes over the size adjuster. This way it'll open up the pocket as the fan blows. It will blow air over the back of your head, over the top, and out the front. Also make sure your size is already adjusted, as the knob is going to be hard to work. Okay, let's see how it fits. Make sure your cable is underneath your safety vest so it will not dangle or get in the way. Now at this point, we can either attach the power source for the rechargeable battery or the AA. So you can run it on your tool belt, you can put it on your belt loop, or hold it in your pocket. Pretty simple process. This concludes our installment portion of the video. Lastly, the hard hat cooler is a washable fabric. If you're out and you're sweating and it gets dirty, I'm going to show you how to disassemble it. You can wash it and reassemble it. First of all, we're going to take the cables out. Okay, here we're going to take off the fan to be able to wash it. As you'll notice, there's a tab here and a tab opposite side. It's 2 tabs. All you want to do is squeeze both tabs at the same time, and your ring will pop loose. Push the fan out. And now you're ready to wash it. Cold water wash, hang to dry. After you wash it, all we're gonna do is put the fan back into its spot. We're gonna find the 2 tabs, and also there's a 2 and a 2. Line up the 2s with the tab, and don't force it, just let it click to where it's secure. That wraps it up for our instructional video on the hard hat cooler. Keep in mind that we do have instructions included in the packet. You can refer to these instructions anytime that you need them. Once again, thank you for your purchase. If you ever have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us at info@zippkool.com. Thanks.